found the waterfall. It's sweet. What the?
Yeah, that's literally the
Cold? I know exactly what it is. We found the waterfall cafe. I just inhaled that man's smoke. Like, I went. We found it. Look how pretty. What the heck? Oh my god. This is unreal. Truly. Right there? Yeah. Snack or something. Whoa, what the heck? There's only one fruit in here.
What is it? Peach?
I think
Mango?
so.
I don't like it. Okay, this is very moist, which is...
I really don't like it.
What does it taste like?
I'm gonna gag. That's how bad it is. It tastes like mayo and fruit. Ooh, this is fire. Praise God I bought these. I have a feeling I'll like these. Oh my God, no. So bad. Do not get the fruit sandwich if you come here. Do not. Taste test.
Let's hope this is better. Oh, this is so hard.
It's sweet.
Huh?
It's sweet.
This is so difficult to eat. Why is it sweet?
It's not bad, but it's
It's not
sweet.
bad though. That's okay.
What the heck? It literally says bagel chips, garlic butter, and it's sweet. I fear I'm gonna need real food soon. What the heck? I mean, I see the pole, but still. Let's go.
So we're going to Seoul International Garden Show.
Look, it's right there.
Oh, that's literally the advertisement.
Oh my God,
We've been seeing.
it won't flip.
We've been seeing this advertisement for like however long we've been here for.
2 weeks.
Like I've seen it. I swear, like I've seen it from the airport. Just the day I landed.
Literally.
And so now we're finally.
Imagine this is it.
No.
No, that's like pure coffee. They have water, but
It's water. It's just water. Ooh, that's right cold.
is ice in it?
Yes,
Oh,
that's
hell yeah.
good.
That's super good.
I mean, this is really pretty. Look at all that. No, I think I'll just get it at the garden show. Oh, look at this. Like some kind of statue. So this really... I got that in camera. Same. But nothing beats like a cold, crispy Diet Coke.
So as if it was like liquor,
You put
essentially.
Coke in it, you put lemon slice in it. Oh, the fittest thing ever.
The fittest thing.
Is this it?
Oh my God, this is
No,
so
I doubt
pretty.
it. I mean, it's part of the garden show.
That's what I'm thinking, right?
I doubt this is just it.
You know, because I imagine like a ton of flowers. This is so pretty. This is like film camera worthy pretty.
Take a picture of it.
You know when I'm like, oh, I have an artistic vision, and then I see it through the lens, and I'm like, that's ugly. What was I thinking?
We got aid. Grapefruit.
Girl, I'm done with the AIDS. I can't anymore.
I just want ice cream.
Right here.
I know, but I don't want it with the churros. I want it just by itself.
Oh, maybe not here then.
And then did you?
Oh yeah, they do.
Did you?
It's 4,000.
Yeah, I just want it.
안녕하세요.
Ice cream cone 하나 주세요.
Oh! Wow. They just like they put water on them to cool down.
Should we go sit there? Can we see what it is?
Yeah.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Oh,
I'm
I
afraid
said
to-
thank you. That looks so good. Do you want to get sprayed by a bit of water mist?
Yeah, I have to put my camera away though. Did you drop it?
No, but it's dripping.
How is it?
For some?
I feel like I'm gonna crap my pants if I do, but
Oh yeah, I don't have a lot then. But it's not that bad. It just tastes like milk ice cream. Vanilla
Milk?
Ice cream. Yeah. Because this is just ice cream and milk. People exercising.
oh, and there's a little library too. I love this, and it's so windy too. Do you want to sit?
What's all those tents? No.
Whoa!
Are people
I think people are camping.
Is this a campsite?
This would be a bomb campsite.
Really? Seems a bit dead to me in the middle of a garden.
No,
I
like
thought
right
people-
here.
Tent like in the more
People tent.
countryside.
People camp in Han River, girl.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a playground. That's why they're screaming.
You look at this?
Those are crazy.
Exactly.
No, like when I first got that part. Yeah, my butt hurts. Oh, it's quite nice though. With my, I can't stand myself. It's quite nice though. I'm gonna go on that thing. Ugh. Oh, holy crap. Wait, on that. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, I'll go on that one.
Oh, my bum hurts.
Yeah.
Be careful,
I
okay?
may or may not die. I'm like, why am I squinting?
고란의 공원에서 개최되는 2025년 국제정원 관광대회 즐겁고 안전한 관람을 위하여
Just spin around. It's on a hill. I can't.
관광회가 개최되는 5월 21일부터 10월 20일까지 자전거 통행을 제한합니다. 자전거를 가져오신 시민분께선 자전거에서 무료 이동해
Do you need help?
Say something to me.
안녕하세요.
You're saying that so loud. Put your ear. I can literally hear everything you're saying. Isn't that crazy?
So cool.
I don't like you either, fool. No. What the heck? Can you? I don't think so.
No, you can't.
To open. Rotate handle. Do you see a handle? Look, it's your, look, it's you. That's what I was talking about. Cold?
on. You have to rent these
Yeah,
400?
400 man on.
for an hour.
400,000 man on.
400,000?
Yeah.
That's pretty expensive. No wonder they're freaking empty.
Whoa, look at the trees.
Wait, I need to look at the buildings. This would be so nice to just
People are living it.
People are camping.
Yeah. Oh, I only got 8,000. I could have hit it harder.
It's okay. You have loosened up enough.
I didn't loosen up enough. Okay, Superman.
Go on, wait.
Oh God, I think
Why do we stop?
I don't know, but we can. Oh, they're censored. I didn't know that. The elevators are censored here. Stop it. Stop correcting me. Superman, 3 out of 10. I put it down. I gave it a 4. I think that's too generous.
I give it a 5. I've seen worse movies. Could I rewatch it? No. Did I enjoy just coming to the cinema for a vibe? Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I
Did have
agree.
a quick power nap? Yes. Right, which
She-
Is that a gym? Are we going to a gym?
Fitness, yeah. 용자. That sounds like yoja.
That's the view. Look at the sky. Stop, I wish this goes higher. It's so pretty.
Girl. What is happening?
사무동 판매동 나눠져 있어요.
Whoa.
Look at the sky.
No, I want to go higher. I want to go up there. Can we enter?
Whoa, this is so pretty.
Oh, this is really pretty.
I mean, it's not closed, and no one is kicking us out, so. Look at the koi fish. All right, I forgot I can't zoom in on low light. So dumb.
I'm gonna have to know so pretty.
Leave it all night until the sun comes up. This would be the most insane time lapse with the cars and the buildings and everything.
No, I think I'm getting an ali olio. Should I have a confession? Should I make a confession? I don't really like tomato-based pasta a lot.
Is that a confession? Girl, it's still on you. My tripod's like.
I'm okay with me being in it. It should be mainly on you. Because then it becomes my YouTube account. It's no longer
ridiculous.
Paloma, it's a rude. Paloma and a rude.
Oh, it's weird. Don't think it will work.
You have to. For the vibe.
Okay, for the vibes, for the vibes.
Because you don't want it to get me white. I mean, my white shirt is dirty, yes. But you don't want to get in your white shirt. Because of the
Mine's
pigeons.
yellow.
Guys, I got attacked by pigeons. Which one do you not want?
Okay.
One, if you had to choose one.
Maybe the guy with this box, this one box.
Okay, lying down.
This dude, this one box lying down.
Okay, cool.
Not my favorite. If I get that one, I'll be okay with it.
have you already got more at home?
I have one at home and I have one here. So this is my third. This doesn't feel like a good. I know exactly what it is. I shouldn't have felt it. I know
No, you
exactly what
shouldn't have.
it
You
is.
cheater. But I don't know what it is.
I was gonna say, should I say? I know what it is.
Is it the one that you didn't want?
No.
Okay. Then open it up. The ladder?
Ladder.
Oh, you didn't mind that.
He's so cute.
That's so cute.
I like this one. It reminds me of my dad.
Oh,
Beef biscuit. This is the beef brisket pasta.
that was so American. They're not Brussels sprouts, they're just smokes. Was it a bit tough? How is it?
Beef was okay.
I'm gonna give mine a good mix. Do you want some of mine? We're gonna try and start bite. That's what you plate. This is such a tiny bite. Wait, let me give you a bit more. Wait,
Okay.
have vegetables. Because you said you were missing vegetables. I don't know why we were given aprons. Is it nice?
Fruit is good. Do you want to do a photo booth?
Should we?
AI?
Angle!
Who?
They have a high angle.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. This one's so funny because I was like trying to talk. I was like, these are so cute.
Ah, look at them.
True, but like the angle helped. I don't know. Oh my god, my camera! I was like, oh, I should record her dancing.